Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're covering 3 shortcuts that you can use inside of Microsoft Word to double your productivity. Before we get started with this video, we wanted to let you guys know that we're actually running a giveaway for Microsoft software through the end of the month. At the end of the giveaway, one lucky subscriber will receive any Microsoft software of their choice from Indigo Software completely free. Indigo Software is an authorized reseller of Microsoft software, which means this will be a 100% authentic copy of whichever software you choose. To enter the giveaway, just follow the steps in this video. If you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so we have a Word document pulled up here for demonstration. And the first keyboard shortcut that we wanted to talk about is a pretty popular one, but we wanted to cover it nonetheless. And this is the undo redo. So for example, let's say I highlight this section, but I accidentally deleted it when I didn't mean to. I'll hold Control and hit Z, and this keyboard is to undo. If I decided I actually did want to delete that, I'll do Control together with Y. So Control Z is undo and Control Y is redo. This works for a lot of different things, including typing a sentence or making layout or design changes. For example, let's type in Indigo Software. And if I hit Control Z, it's actually going to remove that because that whole line was considered one action. Let's say I take this text here and I highlight this. I can Control Z to undo, Control Y to redo. So almost all of the actions that you do, this shortcut will quickly undo or redo it, saving you from having to manually retype something. The next shortcut is Control together with F. This shortcut is going to help us to find things. So we could find text or images or comments without having to sort of scan through it with our eyes. Let's say I want to find the word Windows. I'll just simply type in Windows and then I'll hit Enter. It's going to automatically highlight everywhere that says Windows. Not only that, but it also breaks it down into paragraphs where the word is used on this left navigation pane. This is going to be a very useful tool anytime you're looking for a little bit of text and you don't actually have to manually go find it. The last shortcut, let's go ahead and select these numbers here. And let's say I want these to be bullet points. I'm going to hold Control and then Shift and press L. So by doing that, I can add bullet points anywhere on my document in a simple keyboard shortcut instead of having to go up and use this button here. And as we mentioned earlier, we can just as easily undo this by hitting Control Z. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything that we've covered, drop those in the comments below and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, for a chance to win any Microsoft software of your choice with an official Microsoft license, click this video and follow the steps for a chance to win. As always, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have any videos of your own that you'd like to see us cover, we encourage you to drop those in the comments below. Most of these requests get made into actual videos. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.